So we're auditioning again, but this is the only Welsh-speaking school, and so we're going to see if we can find our Welsh voice of the bear. A football enter shot, quickly followed by a young 7-year-old bear called Fraser Bear.
Hi, my name is Fraser Aaron Bates. Fab.
This is going to be tough, isn't it?
Nod adref a ddathlu'r Nadolig. Roddodd fy ysgyfaint gyfle.
Mae'n gymaint o ffydd yno, fel rhoddoedd cryfder i fi roi organig.
We asked you to come back just to see if you could read through the whole script again for us in Welsh.
Pêl-droed yn ymddangos yn y shot wedi ei ddilyn gan arth ifanc 7 mlwydd oed o'r enw Arth Fraser.
Fy enw yw Fraser Aaron Bates. Fab. Mae gen i ysgyfain cryf oherwydd rwy'n caru pêl-droed a chanu. Credwch yn eich hun. Credwch mai rhodd yw bywyd. Credwch a gyda'n gilydd gallwn wneud gwahaniaeth. Ffydd!
Thank you. That was amazing. Yeah. I could listen to that all day. I did think about a girl before, and then when we heard them again then,
Yeah.
I think Maddox really raised his game, didn't he, in the second audition?
Yeah.